To change Air Command menu style to standard or compact in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu through the Air Command menu. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. And then tap setting icon. Next, tap Air Command. Under menu style section, there are two styles available, standard and compact. By default, the Air Command menu is set to standard. As you can see, when the style is selected, the shortcut in the Air Command menu are displayed with its name or function as well as its icon. If needed, you can set the Air Command menu style to compact. To do so, under menu style section, select compact. As you can see, now the shortcut in the Air Command menu are just displayed with its icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.